So good evening guys. So today I want to show you how you can shorten your URL if you have a long one, because some platforms don't allow you to use long URLs. So this is J Shower Tech. Make sure you subscribe if you follow for more videos like this. So you go to your Google, you type Tinyurl, and then you enter there, and then it takes you to this page, and then you click there, then it takes you to this page, this website. And then if you don't have an account, make sure you sign up. It's for free. If you have an account, just log in. So this is where it says create an account. So for the sake of this video, I will not go into that. You can do that on your own. So you take your long URL, you paste it here, then you click here where it says shorten your link. So let's take for example, I have this long URL, paste it there, and then shorten it like that. So it's loading, it's creating our link, but I've not created an account, so okay, it's done. So it says your recent links. See now, so from this long one, this is the short one. So if I want to paste it somewhere, so if you're an affiliate marketer, some of the platforms don't allow you to use long links. They want you to use the short links. So you pasted your long one, and then this is the tiny URL link, the short one. So if you want to paste it somewhere, you can just copy the link. So if you want to visit the URL, you can click here. If you want to create the QR code again, you can go there. That's the QR code for the link. You can download it. So there are two there. So you can download. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much. Have a good night.